Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing CommSec Pocket, a beginner-friendly investing app that makes it easier for everyday Australians to start building wealth. But is it really worth it? Let's break it down. What it is. CommSec Pocket is a mobile app from Commonwealth Bank designed to simplify investing. Instead of overwhelming you with endless options, it focuses on small themed investment choices like tech, sustainability, or top 200 companies. How it works. Getting started is pretty simple. You download the app, link it to your bank account, and choose from a range of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. You can start investing with as little as $50. The app also includes auto-invest features, performance tracking, and educational tips to help beginners understand what they're doing. Who it's for. It's aimed at beginner investors who want to dip their toes into the share market without needing thousands of dollars. It's also good for people who want a hands-off approach with simple, diversified options. What people are saying. On the positive side, users like how easy it is to use, the low minimum investment, and the trusted backing of CommBank. On the downside, some feel the app is too limited compared to other platforms, and the brokerage fees can feel high for small investments. Pros. Very beginner-friendly and easy to set up. Start with just $50. Backed by a trusted bank. Access to themed ETFs for diversification. Cons. $2 brokerage per trade, which can add up on small amounts. Limited investment choices compared to other brokers. Not ideal for advanced investors. Recommendation. So, here's my take. If you're brand new to investing and want a safe, simple way to get started, CommSec Pocket is worth trying. But if you're ready for more control and variety, you'll outgrow it quickly. Outro. That's it for this review. Let me know your thoughts on CommSec Pocket in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.